Hello guys, so introduce ko nga pala ito yung ginagamit ko na Lumispan na device. Ito ay number one.
Lumis Bio is dot microbiology friendly. Let's take a closer look at dot what that means. Everyone has a unique facial microbiome. Keeping your individual dot microbiology balanced is dot essential for skin health. Lumis Bio gently dot yet deeply purifies pores, drawing out dirt, makeup, all dot pollutants and toxins, all without disrupting dot your skin's natural microbiome balance. Lumispa treatment dot cleansing system is dot microbiome friendly for all.
So yun na nga, nadinig nyo ang benefits ng Lumispa device na yan. So nakita naman nyo, nalinis ko pang maigi ang mukha ko nang naiwasan ko ang aking extension eyelashes na mabasa muna. Mamaya ko na lang siya babasa. So yun nga, pag gusto mong umorder, DM nyo lang ako. Direct message me or click the link. Thank you for watching.